Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily add snow effect to videos on Capcut on your mobile. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all open up the Capcut application on your phone. You can follow the exact same steps on both iPhone and Android. And after opening the Capcut application you'll have to tap on new project, and then you'll have to select the video on which you want to apply the filter, uh, and then tap on add on the bottom right. Now the thing you need to notice is the effects option on the bottom of your screen, and you'll have to tap on it and then tap on video effects. And now you'll be able to find a search bar on the effects section, and you'll have to tap on it and search for snow, then search. And now you'll have to select the snow effect that you want to apply to your video. I will select this one and then tap on cancel and then tap on the tick, and you can drag it to the end of the video easily like this. And now you can see the effect, snow effect is being applied to the whole video. So that's how you can easily apply snow effect to your videos in CapCut. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.